2, 1.
Bingo.
0.
Record. Here we go. Shh. Now, if we change the aqueous, what does aqueous mean? Dissolved in water, right? And gas just means it's in the gas state. Gas just means it's in the gas state. This means dissolved in water. Now, shh. This is a single replacement reaction. Y'all remember single replacement reaction? This metal will trade places with that hydrogen, produce hydrogen gas. All right. And what is this guy right here, Brian? NaCl. That's French fry stuff, right? Salt. But this is actually aqueous, so you don't want to put salt water on your French fries. That would ruin them. Okay. This is like salt water, like ocean water. Okay. Now, when this happens, which of these concentrations, 2.5 molarity or 3.5 molarity, would create a higher or faster reaction rate? 2.5 or 3.5? All right. Now, shh. When it's the correct answer here is makes the reaction go. We're going to talk about whether it goes faster or slower when you have a higher reaction rate. Well, think about what's happening. If I have 2.5 molarity, I have a certain number of particles in solution. All right. All right. Let's say that the 2.5 molarity represents these circles here. All right. What happens when I increase the number of circles? Is that going to speed up my reaction because there's more opportunity? What if I put more of these orange guys in the box? It's going to go faster. It's going to go faster. There's going to be... Look at that. Pretend this one's like that one. If I double the number of molecules that are in here, I'm going to increase the chances that they bond. All right? What if you have man rabbits and lady rabbits in a cage, and you double the number of rabbits you put in that cage? Where are you going to get more baby rabbits from? More rabbits make more rabbits, right? They're so cute. Okay? All right. Shh. So, higher concentrations. Neil, you with me? Higher concentration makes the reaction go faster, right? Yeah, there's some Kleenexes back in this room. You can just take them to your seat and stuff. I'll go in the hall. Just take some Kleenexes from the desk right there, okay? Yeah, of course. Take several Kleenexes. Is Miss Mohabir on the desk? All right. So, shh. The higher concentration makes the reaction go faster, right, Brian?
Right.
All right. Good. Next. Alrighty. What? Oh, did I tell you we're going to have a little 10-pointer at the end of class today?
You should tell Victoria. She said you might have a word. I'm doing something else. All right.
All right, here is your sugar cube. Right, Garth? Where's Garth? All right. Shh. Here's your sugar cube. What happens if I take that sugar cube and break it apart? Whoa. Oh, thank you. Yes, all right. Shh. I don't buy sugar cubes, all right, but I can imagine them, right?
They sound tasty.
All right. Now, a sugar cube is just a little sugar packed into this cube, and then granulated sugar is what you buy when you go buy regular old white sugar, okay, or brown sugar. Have you ever had brown sugar and it chunks up, right? And then you have to break it apart? All right. Why, when you're going to make cookies, do you want to break up those brown sugar lumps? Because it's not going to mix in properly, right? It's not going to, so what you have to do is you break it up, correct? Now, if I take this little sugar cube and I break it up, don't I still have the same amount of sugar?
Yes.
Yes, but what's different about it? What have I done to its surface area? What am I doing? Am I exposing more or less of the surface to my mix? More. Shh. Does the granulated sugar dissolve faster or slower than the cube? Faster.
Especially when you stir it.
Okay? And stirring it also will
Or heating it.
change that. Yes.
That's how you make caramel. You heat sugar up.
Yes, you do, and we're going to talk about that. All right, great to know, great to know. All right? All right, shh. So, what are we going to say about that? If we increase the surface area, what does that do? Speed up or slow down? Very good. Bam. Increased reaction rate. Increased rate means what? Faster or slower? Thank you. Faster. Miss Mohabir does in the desk back there. All right. Shh. Did you see what I just did? I just showed you that we've got the same amount of sugar, right, in both situations. This one you just have more surface area. So what does that mean when you have more surface area? It means you're exposing your molecules, all right, instead of them all being clumped up like this, are more, you have more of them exposed so that they can create a reaction. Right, Garth? All right. Next. How about, somebody said this. All right, let's caramelize some onions. What did we say we were going to do to caramelize the onions? We're going to put them in a pan and saute them, right? Now, what's going to make them, you're actually supposed to slow cook these onions, right, Katie? Slow cook them? All right. What is going to, what would make them cook faster? If you put it on heat level 2 or heat level 8? Heat level 8, okay? Now, you don't want to burn them, but what are we doing? What are we changing when we turn up the heat, guys? We're changing the temperature. Say, this makes sense, Miss Milam, because I've done real life cooking before.
I can cook a mean chicken.
Is it moist or dry?
Moist and juicy chicken.
All right.
With some onions and stuff, and then you put the bed of rice on the side, chicken corn.
Did you know that all the chefs who go to culinary institutes take at least one chemistry class? Did you know that?
Like Emerald.
Yes.
Emerald talks funny. He put his hands all in the food and stuff.
Jay, don't throw things. Caleb, Julian, did you know that at University of Georgia there's a chemistry of chocolate class that you can take? I can't say stuff like that out loud. I can't say stuff like that.
You know where I might be going? That's safe to say.
All right. What happens if we increase the temperature? What does it do to how fast or slow these guys are moving? Makes the particles do what? Move faster or slower? Sam, are you paying attention? moving faster? Are there going to be more or less collisions?
You can't see it.
Thank you. Hey guys, that's enough of the drinking and the water and all that stuff, okay?
I'm dehydrated.
You know this new station?
Is this school not affording hot water?
More. Move.
There's a sitting up there. There's a piece just sitting up. There's the other knob. It is. Do you have?
Caleb, you're creating a disturbance.
That is right. I hate onions.
Hey guys, too much. I'm not here to provide you paper towels and hot water, okay? You can do that outside of class. Dwayne, you can talk to Brian outside of class.
Alright, this is okay.
All right?
That's fine.
Shh. Cooking onions at 200 versus 300, which one's going to create a faster reaction, okay? This one goes faster. Chris Albert, why aren't you writing anything down today?
Why did you pick him for every week? He has a brother? Landon? His mom's
May I go to the bathroom?
Who are we talking about?
Lee Steve.
Coolio. Lee and I go way back.
How?
I can't tell you. Caleb?
You ever seen the Chevy with
Yeah, go ahead.
Mom?
Did you know that Lainey and Joshua Milam used to go to preschool together, Neely?
Get married?
Did you know
What?
that Miss Palmer
Are they
told
gonna
us
get
about
married?
this?
Did you know that Josh and Lady and Andrew are all the same grade?
Yes. I kind of forget that, but yes. Just like you and Lee and Neely and I are all in the same grade. All right.
Okay.
Tomorrow's the big day. You know about this, right?
Graduation. You graduate?
Tomorrow.
Somebody's birthday.
Your birthday?
It's your
Yeah, do you not have it on your calendar?
Is your birthday tomorrow? You didn't have my
Yes.
birthday.
We're having a party.
We should definitely buy
Who
you.
wrote this mom?
Yes.
We should definitely buy it. We should buy her a cake.
I don't know. I gotta get around to erasing that one day, Chastity.
Do you hate it?
No, not at all.
Up there?
Not at all. What?
You left it up there?
It's only been there since Friday.
That's a long time.
Thursday.
Maybe Thursday. Okay. All right.
Back to the topic.
Back to the topic. Next.
Thanks, Brian, for getting us back on track.
How about catalysts? Ooh, should we record this?
Yeah, it's already recorded.
Is it? Oh yeah, it says before.
That's embarrassing.
I wanna say hello to my